Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport D200 R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian grey. Let's begin our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we'll find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the side, you're going to find further features, all are courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of upgraded 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear, you're going to notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal a vast and versatile amount of boot space. Within the rear, you're going to find 2 further seats, making this vehicle perfect for those with larger families, and you're also going to find easy to access controls through electrically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure is going to intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony Windsor leather seats with their Mars red stitch. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated electric seats with driver memory, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal. Advancing over, you're at your Pivi Pro touchscreen, and you also see your wireless charging pad. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which engrosses this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.